Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into the UniCredit Bank online banking. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is to open up a web browser and type in UniCredit Bank online banking. Now you want to navigate to your country's UniCredit banking online banking sites. That's probably going to be the top result here. So for me, it is either I could choose unicreditbank.hu or .eu. So I'm going to do .hu for this demonstration. They're going to be similar. So once you get onto their website, they might vary slightly, but what we need to look for is internet banking. So click on to internet banking, and then we've got a few options. So we've got internet banking for individuals, we've got the mobile banking app, we've got internet banking for small business, or internet banking for corporate clients. So I think the internet banking for individuals is the one we're going to go for. But if you are a small business, click on small business, or corporate clients, click on the bottom one there. So once we do this, it's going to take us to a new web page where we're going to have to put in our credentials. Okay, so from here we need to put in our user ID and then go ahead and click on to next. So this is the user identifier you were given when you're registered. Then on the next page, we're going to put in your security code, password, or PIN, so a code you created or that's generated by a security device app, for example, mobile token or digital pass. Then from there, click on to done, and then you're going to be logged in. You might need to enter in a security code or two-factor authentication. So modern UniCredit online banking uses strong custom authentication.